you are not getting the job, you are not getting the interview. If you are getting the interview, then also you are not qualifying for that interview. What is the reason? Being a web designer, being a web developer, let me tell you, if you are applying for a web design or web development position, then you need to showcase your project you have done before, whether you are applying for a fresher position or whether you are applying for a experienced position. You need to showcase your previous work in that organization or in your previous past environment. Without this, you cannot impress the interviewer in the interview process. Let me tell you, in the recession time, everyone is sitting in their home, everyone is working how to get a job. Now in this condition, the job requirement are more than the job offering in our respective industry. So you need to be more specific about what technology you need. You need to be more specific about how well you are in that technology. I strongly suggest you to do all the program before that. Still, if you are a fresher, you don't know, you just learn about the web design like HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Still, by using HTML and CSS, we can do simple projects. By doing that project, you can impress your interviewer. You can create a GitHub account and you can store that project you have done to that GitHub account, and wherever you go for that interview, and you can show that I have done the particular project. While looking your GitHub account, the interviewer may get satisfied and the interview may offer a job position for that. So let me give you 7 ideas that you can do on your project and you can showcase to your interviewer. The first one is create a portfolio of yours. Create a portfolio of yours means whether you are a web designer or web developer, you can create your own website for your own purpose. Like that, I have suvampanda.com. You can also create a website for your using HTML and CSS only. You can create a better looking website, and that website will add to your resume. That skill will add to your resume, and this is the great advantage of showcasing your portfolio in front of the interviewer. The second most popular project you can do to better your career is to design a contact form. Contact form contains different fields, radio button and a submit button, and align with each other, right? If you do this kind of form, if you design this kind of form, this will enhance your career in web design field. And the third one is a simple registration form. Here you will design the contact form, you will enhance the contact form by adding more and more field into a registration account creation. Then after, by using your web development skill, you can develop it, you can do validation, you can do send it to the database. Whether you come to that form, you fill up the information, and if you do submit or registration button, that value will store to that database. This will helpful for you to showcase your design skill as well as showcase your development skill. You can try better to do this design skill as well as development skill when you develop a simple registration form. The fourth interesting project you can do to design a landing page, a product page for your respective client or respective interviewer. This showcase your landing page skill, this showcase your product services, showcase skill, design skill in case of increasing your design skill. So this is the product landing page. You can design it. The fifth one is a menu page. What is a menu page? Menu page means it is a table containing different row. Each row contains different food item as well as price and as well as their specification, whether it is a vegetarian or paneer or non-vegetarian and all other things. You can do that to better design your table skill, better design your HTML skill, as well as to decorate it with the CSS. The sixth one is the interactive slider. Slider, where slider comes in every landing page. Slider showcase your product and services, go one by one. You can design it with the help of only HTML, with the help of CSS. If you are more into that, you can also make it a attachment of JavaScript where it will run automatically. So this is the great advancement, and this looks the best design, I can say. This add the best design skill to your website, to your portfolio. You can show this to your interviewer. The seventh one and the final one is interactive navigation bar, interactive footer. Interactive navigation bar means multi-level navigation, home, about us, and next after then if you hover onto this, you will get more other option. Similarly, footer, dynamic footer, you can include HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript or jQuery to do all this. If you do all this, then at the complete of project, you will do a navigation bar, you will do a footer bar, and if you do your portfolio website, you can add the portfolio website in between, where the total outcome is navigation bar is ready, top header is ready, bottom footer is ready. If these things are done by you, by the end of the 7th project, you will be expert in the language of HTML as well as CSS. I suggest you to try this, and if you do one or two of them, and I will better tell you that you will be more experienced in designing or development, and I will bet guarantee you that the interviewer may take into your point and you will get a better job, or you will get a job at least in the software design and development field. If you like this kind of video, you can check out to my other videos. Hope this video is helpful for you. Right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.